Alright folks, a couple of things. The fear and greed index is now in the extreme fear, and usually this will mean a ginormous move to the upside for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. You can see the example here, extreme fear, big move to the upside. Here, extreme fear, big move to the upside, and we are currently in the extreme fear right here. But we have a bit of bad news. As you will know, for the past couple of weeks, our analysis has been terribly trolled by the markets. And this is something we usually say. Sometimes the market simply will not sync with our strategy. So we just have to wait until they sync back together. So right now, what I'm expecting basically is that USDT dominance should move to the upside right here, where I think it will most likely find its top. This is not guaranteed, however. Of course, if it started to crash right here, it will mean that Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto markets go on a humongous rally, and we would have missed a very good trade right there. But in an ideal scenario, in a perfect world, it should actually go up. Now, from current price, this move up will be about a 10% move. So ideally, it should be somewhere around a 10% move down for BTC, which will be worse for altcoins. And after that move, I will expect a correction, which will look like so. But as we go to the upside or consolidate here, I will be monitoring this stuff. So it's not like I'm just going to keep my eyes off of it. I'm going to be monitoring it, but this is the ideal scenario. Now, for Bitcoin, it's not really clear what it's going to do. From my rough estimate, considering the idea that USDT dominance will go up by about 10%, BTC could actually go to somewhere around 92k. If we are following the double top idea right here, then BTC will go to somewhere around 94k. So rough estimate is somewhere in the mid to lower 90s for BTC. That would be my rough estimate right here. It's also important to note that we have a CME gap between 92.6 to 91.8. So given all this projection, it stands to reason that Bitcoin could actually fill that gap. So that's pretty much it for the analysis. We should expect this type of move. Now, does this move mean that the bull market is over? No. It could actually mean that the bull market resumes around here. And from there, if we want to look at it from the macro perspective, BTC could be headed to 130 to 150k. But it's too early to say that now. Let's watch out for the move first. Now, if BTC just reverses from here and shoots straight to the upside and closes a daily candle above 109k, I may start to think that the move will no longer happen. But until that happens, we will most likely come down here, sadly.